Hey, this is Gary Kay. We're here at ISE 2020, day 2 of the show. I'm here in the Avocor booth, and we're not necessarily going to talk about Avocor right now. We are going to talk about using Avocor with Quick Launch. Now, you know Quick Launch is that product from UCWorkspace, and you know I love this product because it simplifies collaboration boards, makes them consistent. We talked about that, but I want to introduce you to Angela Holofka. You probably met her before with some of the other videos I've done at other shows. She's the founder and CEO of UCWorkspace. Angela, good morning.
Morning, Gary.
Look, UCWorkspace, I love Quick Launch. Quick Launch, just real quickly, gives, no matter what brand of collaboration board you have, a consistent front end for every basic function that you would need a collaboration board. And regardless of brand, you walk into a room, they're all going to look the same. They're going to operate the same, single touch connection to any UC application. But we're not here to talk about Quick Launch. We're here to talk about UC Central. So what is UC Central?
UC Central is the what we call our portal platform that allows you to deploy our products, manage our products, and provides analytics for all the different products we have.
Okay, so you can use UCWorkspace simultaneously while using Quick Launch. In the background, it's kind of doing its thing, right?
Absolutely. So we look at UC it this way. We have Quick Launches for meeting rooms. We are introducing rAVe and wireless, which we'll do another
I'm coming back here this afternoon for that.
Absolutely, meeting with our CTO. As well as UC Central sits on top and provides the management and analytics as an engine for all the products. And each one can be used independently or together. So UC Central can be used without Quick Launch or without rAVe, or better together story.
Yeah, so the UC Central, the idea behind this is that it's going to give a tremendous amount of data and control to the IT department to figure out what these boards are being used for and what the rooms are being used for.
Absolutely. Gary, if you just hit minimize up there for me.
Yep, will do.
Let's take a look at it. So when we looked at it, we wanted to have 3 roles that are within an organization. First, we have the AV and IT role, where people want to be able to look at a dashboard that says, what's up, what's down, what do I need to pay attention to? So over here we have the 3 roles, AV, the business, and facilities. So as you go through here, you can see you've got systems down, and it can tell you exactly what is wrong with it, and you
in case you can't read this, it's telling you the device that's having a problem in a room. And it's telling you where that room is and how it's being used at that moment in time.
That's right. Then we go to the business users, and especially with interactive boards and other things, are we using the boards? Are the rooms with the boards being booked more often? How is that correlating? When we met with a couple of the business users, they said, we have sales meetings every Monday morning. Are they being run? Are they actually using our CRM software? Are people not showing up? And you can see that we have the ghost meetings. Ghost meetings, for those of you who don't know, is when you book a meeting and don't show up. Or a zombie meeting, which is I've booked the meeting and I always book it. Every Monday at 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock because I want it, but you never show up.
So the idea behind this is it tells you how often rooms are being used, how often rooms are being abused, potentially.
Absolutely, and then you can go and recover the times. So, and we provide application usage, especially for companies that are looking at investments. Should I look at continuing with Skype? Should I look at Cisco?
So it tells you, it's tracking which UC platforms that you use and how often they're being used and how successfully they're being used.
Again, applications and other things.
Yep.
So we have all that ability within Quick Launch. Now,
or UC Central.
UC Central. And then within the facilities, this is where we're using technologies to do camera counts, head counts, so we can tell what's the capacity of the room, what's the highest on record, what the average is, so you know how to, sorry, they changed the zoom on this morning.
And that might be, there you go, how's that?
Thanks, that's perfect. So we can go in and see all the different things, and all these dashboards are completely customizable. So I can go in and I can update firmware, get into device controls and other things. So I can go into them and go into all the different controls.
I have a question for you. So as an IT department, can they centrally deploy this and manage it from, or do they have to go room to room to do that?
No, you can centrally deploy it, as well as we can centrally Quick Launch templates. You can push all your templates and everything.
So as you have firmware updates, software updates on the board, firmware updates, software updates for Quick Launch, all that can be pushed?
Absolutely.
Okay, and so then the IT department, this gives them not only all the analytics, but also the ability to manage upgrades and fixes as well as firmware updates.
That's why we call it deploy, manage, and analytics.
Okay, and so those are the 3 components for UC Central. Is this available now, or is this a new feature?
This is in preview mode with enterprise customers today.
Which the enterprise customers, Avocor is one of them. And who else are the enterprise
I think
customers?
we're a little NDA on the names of our
Okay,
end
okay.
user customers.
So you've got some customers trying it out. When do you think it'll be deployed fully?
Well, it's a little bit of a mystery, but within the next couple months.
All right, good. So by InfoComm, certainly, I suspect we're 4 months away from InfoComm. We'll see that roll out. But I want you to go into the video search window, ravepubs.com/ISE 2020. Make sure that you look for UCWorkspace, because we're also going to do a demo of rAVe. Now, rAVe might be my favorite new product at ISE so far. It is a software-based wireless collaboration product with a whole lot of other features that a lot of you have been looking for, not just in collaboration rooms, but in other rooms. So it actually is a product that you could break even out of the collaboration board, in my opinion. I know that you push it on the collaboration side, but I see it have other applications as well. Angela Hlufka, thanks for joining me today. Did I miss anything? Or we get covered?
No, we're great.
Now we're here. By the way, we're in the Avocor booth. Obviously, we're in front of got to be an 84-inch display. I don't know how big is this. This got to be 84.
86. And they're one of our great platinum partners, so check them out.
Yeah, the platinum partner. You can go to avocor.com. You go to UCWorkspace.com. You can see all their products. And of course, we're here at ISE to cover a lot more stuff. Go to ravepubs.com for all of our coverage. Thanks.